Okay, we can do one thing. If I have got x as 3 plus root 8, I can find x square, 1 by x square and add them. What is wrong in that? Let me try. Let us see whether it's something very easy for us to do. So, what is x square then? 3 plus root 8 whole square. This is nothing but a plus b whole square. So, a square is 9 and b square is 8. Then you have 2ab. So, 2 into 3 into root 8, which is 6 root 8. And that turns out to be 17 root 17. 9 plus 8, 17. Then you have plus 6 root 8. X was 3 plus root 8. X square turned out to be another irrational number, much more bigger, much more complicated. And if I find 1 by x square, that will turn out to be 1 by 17 plus 6 root 8. And how am I supposed to add these two? I cannot find an LCM, and multiplying this by this, and the entire thing turns out to be a big irrational number. So there must be some way of doing this, isn't it? So let us use algebraic identity to see whether I can express x square plus 1 by x square in terms of something very simple as x and 1 by x. See, look at this. This is nothing but a square plus b square. See, x square plus 1 by x square. So if x is equal to a, this can be written as a square plus b square, where a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. Can you see that? X square, a is equal to x, so x square is equal to a square, and 1 by x square is nothing but 1 by x whole square, which is 1 by x square, isn't it? So a square plus b square. We have seen these two terms somewhere, one of the identities. A square plus b square is actually nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Can you relate to these two things? We know very well a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then you have minus 2ab here. I can cancel these two. LHS and RHS are same. So a square plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So instead of a and b, if I write x and 1 by x, can I get a very decent term? So a I will put as x. So x square plus 1 by x square. What is b? B is 1 by x. So b square will be 1 by x whole square. That 1 square will be same as 1. So denominator you will get x square is nothing but, let me write this, a plus b. So x plus 1 by x whole square. Okay. And what is 2ab? Minus 2. What is a? A is x. And what is b? 1 by x. These two get cancelled. So this is nothing but x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. And that is x square plus 1 by x square. So I have converted this square term, because if I do square, just see how horrible it looks. Very complicated, isn't it? So I don't want to, use another complicated term. Already this one is complicated and you are getting a bigger one, which you don't want to use. But look at this. I have only x and I have only 1 by x. Now x is a irrational number. 1 by x also is going to be irrational, but that can be rationalized and maybe something simpler will come. So let us look at that. So after this, let me solve this here. Okay. Now all I need is x, which is already given. I need 1 by x. And what is 1 by x? 1 by x is nothing but 1 by 3 plus root 8. And what is 1 plus 3 root 8? You have to rationalize this. So I multiply this by 3 minus root 8 and 3 minus root 8. And that will give me 3 minus root 8 in the numerator. Denominator, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. A square, 3 square is 9. Root 8 square is 8, a square minus b square. So, there is a minus sign here. This will give me 3 minus root 8 by 1. I can eliminate 1. So, x is 3 plus root 8. 1 by x is 3 minus root 8. Now, I can substitute here. So, what I am supposed to find? X square plus 1 by x square is nothing but x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Please see that this is x and 1 by x get cancelled. So, I am just left with a number without any variable. Now, I know the value of x here. I know the value of 1 by x, which is here. I just put them. So, 3 plus root 8, which is x, plus 3 minus root 8, which is 1 by x, the whole square, minus 2. Now this root 8 and root 8 get eliminated. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 square 36 minus 2 34. How easily we have got the answer using the algebraic identity. So if x is given, we can always find x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square is equal to this. You can use the same formula for anything, you know. Anytime such a question comes, find x square plus 1 by x square, please always use this expansion of this in terms of x plus 1 by x, exactly the way we have arrived at a square plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. We have also proved it. So similarly, x square plus 1 by x square is nothing but x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. You know the value of x. When you put 1 by x, it becomes an irrational number in the denominator, as here I have multiplied with the conjugate. So I got a irrational number with 1 in the denominator, that is rationalized it. So this is 1 by x, this is x. Having put here, the answer becomes so simple. So do not square these terms. Do not find x square and do not find 1 by x square. Use this identity. Please remember, note it down somewhere and just remember x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. This identity is very, very important. Every time you get any problem like this will be used. So it's a very shortcut method. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 34.